Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Glad to stop by today. Now, if this is your first time to this channel, please like and subscribe only. And I say only if you want to learn new things about AI or you want to understand how some of the systems that you have or others may have can help you grow your business. I'm always doing these little secret hacks, showing you how to make money with your tools. And if this is your first time here, just like and subscribe. You might want to hit the bell notification because I will randomly go live. I do go live, tend to go live on Fridays, but if I randomly go live, it's because I discovered something that I want to share with you. So that's only hit the bell notification if then. All right. So what I want to show you in this video is I want to show you. All right. So listen, let me speak a little bit lower because I don't want people to know about this. I'm not going to teach you the full hack. I want you to be able to put the hack together on your own. But basically what this tool does, I'm going to show you a tool that teaches you different things, right? People know that I have three master's degrees and one undergrad degree. So I'm always learning every single day. But I found a tool that it's a personal tool, right? It's for you to continue to learn. And one thing I know about learning is if you continue to learn and you master something, then you can command the dollars to be able to teach someone else. That's what I like about this particular tool because I'm going to show you a use case that's going to help me maybe in the next 6 months. I know it'll probably double my income just by going through this particular process. And I'm going to share with you what that vision is. I'm going to give you some of the blueprint and I want you to be able to put some of the blueprint together on your own. Let's go over to my desktop. I'm going to show you the tool. The best thing about it is it's on sale and you can get a lifetime deal for one-time cost using my link. Let's go over, let's take a look at it, only if it makes sense to you. And I'm going to show you where it's going to make sense to everyone that takes a look at it. Let's go over to my desktop. All right. So the name of the learning tool is called Be Freed, right? So it's found at a company by the name of AppSumo. Now, AppSumo is a company that's been around, I guess, going on 16 years now. And what they've done is they'll partner with different companies who come up with these unique tools, and they'll try to negotiate lifetime deals for any follower or subscriber to the AppSumo ecosystem. Now, this is a tool. So what you mostly find here is lifetime deals, meaning that whatever the price is, that's the price. You never pay anything more than that. This is what actually, if I date myself, this is all we used to pay back in the day, back in the 80s. You would pay one time for a price. The problem is security and cloud and all that got expensive to keep the security patches and all that. So people got away from that. Then of course, Salesforce came along and they started the subscription business. But this is a company that allows you to continue to do that. Now, let's talk about this particular tool. I just wanted to introduce it to you. And if you use my link below, it won't cost you anything. But if you want me to continue to bring you these little secret finds, then use the link. I'll probably make, I don't know, maybe enough to get a latte, non-fat, non-whip latte. Not that much, but it's again enough to allow me to continue to bring these to you. So this tool is called Be Freed, right? And they range in these tacos. Now this has, I guess, 4.5 tacos. It should be all 5 tacos. The people that are complaining are the people that didn't set it up correctly for the language. If you're going to set it up in French or what have you, then you set your whole system language up to French, right? And that's how you're able to do that. And so they complained about that. I guess it wasn't clear, but they didn't belong to the Discord where all the information is happening. So the things you'll see on this is from the complaints are people are just didn't know that they're on Discord, and they can just find out very easily that those were not possible, right? Or they just didn't set it up correctly. So here's what this does, right? So let me just tell you, right? So again, this is a personal tool, right? For personal growth. The beauty of this tool, and let me tell you the beauty of it first. The tool is 69 freaking bucks. You get unlimited access and unlimited generation. Now, what you're able to do is you're able to personalize your learning plan. So mine is more on entrepreneurship, more leadership, more small business development, things of that nature. So when you first sign up, I wanted it to give me these types of resources to read and to study. And the best part about it is you can just listen to this, every day when you wake up or when you're at lunch or even running or you're working out. And then, so what's different in this and then say like a auditable, you have to jump through these hoops. You have to pay for all these different classes. This one kind of gives them to you, which I think is very, very nice. You can see different, and I don't know if there's negotiated licenses or different things like that. Probably sounds like to me like they have, but you get over 100,000 knowledgeable pieces of personalized information for yourself. So this is in this age of AI, right? Knowledge is, to me, is going to be much more valuable, right? Information is cheap, which is the reason why you're seeing a lot. This is cheap to get this information, but the knowledge and putting it all together and implementation is what's going to be more expensive. If you're able to learn the different things here and then learn how to implement it and teach others how to implement it, then you're going to command top dollar. And I think, and the only reason I'm putting it out there, because I'm going to share a use case with you. It's going to trip you out, but you can download it. What happens is you can get creative. You can create your own study, but you have to download the app. So it has an iOS app, and I think they have an Android app. So you get creative, meaning that the only way you can create it is you can create from the app. You can't create from the actual desktop. So this is my desktop mode here, and these were picked for me: Tribe of Mentors, Relentless, Since You've Been Hunting the Next Career Leap, and Think Your Way to Wealth. And these are some of the ones that they've picked for me: Managing People, Motivate, Getting There. And these are just some of the ones that they picked for me. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. All right, so I love Rich Dad, Poor Dad. So these are the ones that these are some of the ones that I think people have created. It says handpicked by editorial team, feature community creations, right? So I don't know if they have other people that create these. I know I created my own, and I think I left it for private, and I don't know if there's a way you can make money off of your particular library. That would be interesting to know. I'm gonna have to find out about that, but this is my library here. So this is a course, right? It says Navigating 2025 Health. These are the HSA rules, right? And the HSA, these are health accounts, right? And these are tax advantage accounts. The reason why I created my own course in this is because I'm in a tax strategy class that learns about different taxes and how small businesses can save on taxes and things of that nature. I'm trying to master that topic. So I have been taking a lot of classes in that. But the first chapter is, guess what? HSA, right? Health savings accounts. That's the first chapter, right? And when I got to the school and it says, yeah, you gotta read all these PDFs, and you got to do all these library studies and all that in order to pass the test. And I was like, what? So they gave me it's got 40 pages of just reading. So what did I do? I went into the app and I says, hey, create me a course on how to master or navigate HSA rules and strategies for 2026, because I wanted it to be updated. So they went out, found 28 sources, and helped put together a guide for me. The best thing about learning something in this book or anything on AI is if it's factual, like accounting, right? Assets plus liabilities equal owner's equity. Those, if it's factual things, AI is very, very good at. What AI is not good at is hallucinating and creating different things, right? But if it's factual, they can go out and find sources, which creates the better AI experience. So that's what I created, and I've been learning this. And so I've took it out on my early morning run, and it's pretty darn good. I like what they did here. So that's what you can do. So I can create these. I can create unlimited these, or I can just continue to learn from the things that they curated for me here. So these and they keep you going. The 48 laws of power, right? Atomic habits. these are different books and different sources that are out there. So the best part about that, like I said, I didn't want to spend a long time with you. I just wanted you to understand that you can generate your own podcast and have adaptive flashcards and personalized learning plans from the books and research. So if you're trying to learn something, and this, like I said, this is a personal tool. I love learning every day. I thought this tool would be perfect. And I don't know, this tool is not going to be for my audience. This tool may be for less than 5% of my audience, but it's for entrepreneur curious solopreneurs. You have to master your domain. So if you wanted to start teaching people about marketing, or online marketing, you just create your own course on online marketing, and they'll recommend some courses around it, and you listen to it. Then when you start mastering online marketing, you then can create your own ecosystem around, guess what? Online marketing, right? And I think this is a very, very good opportunity to do that. So that's kind of all I wanted to say. Talk to the audio whenever you need to. So, and this is one of the things I forgot. I haven't been listening to it that much to be able to do this, but it says you can chat with the AI agent while you're learning. So it goes through and it's reading, right? It's reading to you, it's reading letters, and you can see it here. You can stop it, and it's almost like, I know in Notebook LM, you could stop the Notebook LM and you can have interactions with it. You can say, well, what do you mean about this? And then the AI will kind of explain it to you. So here, you can ask your real-time AI agent questions mid-session to clarify concepts. You can say, listen, what is the rule of 72? When you say the rule of 72, what does that basically mean? Explain it to me like I'm a fifth grader. And it will go ahead and do that for you. This is a nice little sneaky tool. I like it. Get fact check sources, cited insights from a multi-layer validation system. That's what I'm saying. So if you have topics that you say, hey, I want to learn about accounting, right? This will teach you about accounting, right? And you can switch seamlessly between podcasts, flashcards, and chat modes. The most mode you're going to listen to is the podcast mode, but then you can put it into flashcards. So again, this is only if you're trying to learn something, you're trying to master something. I think for $69, this is a very, very, very good pickup. Very good pickup. So you can get lifetime access to this. I'll put my code below, or I'll drop my code in the first comment. Just click on the link. Like I said, I'll probably make maybe $1.50, $2 off of this, but that's okay. I still want to be able to bring you more, but I wanted you to be able to see what I'm bringing. And I have a couple more things I want to bring to you guys. I'd like to appreciate and thank you guys for stopping by. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones. I got some more things up my sleeve. I'm going to be doing something major this week. Tune back in. You guys take care. Goodbye for now.